Hello again and welcome to Narellan Auto Parts Plus. Here today we've got a 2013 J10 series Nissan Dualis MR20 2-litre automatic front wheel drive jobby. Little taps here and there. Racing red, it's an ST. See it's blacked in the front, so I've got a left and rear door dent there. Pretty basic, standard cloth trim in there, tight enough. 90,000 kilometres on it. Pop the bonnet, we've got a compliance plate down here, we've got a 1213. Oh, where's the big block motor? Alright, there it is there. Hook it up, the bonnet. All in there, start her up. Some more details there for you. Train spotters. Fairly tidy little car till it's had its altercation. It's got 90269 kilometres. Put my foot on the brake to start it. And blast off. Here we go. Purrs like a kitten. Okay, fairly standard fare, nothing been modified. So there it is, one J10 Dualis for dismantling at Narellan Auto Parts Plus. If you need any Dualis parts or any other car parts for that matter, give the guys a call on 02 4646 1733 and the Parts Plus team will help you out. Okay, thanks for watching and we'll put this one to bed. Bye for now.